Hi and welcome to my little makeup diary. Today I am doing a look based on a face chart, and here you can see the face chart, and as you can see I am not following it to a T, and that is fine. I do face charts not for the artistic value. I know some people do that. They're really talented, like some people on Instagram I see do it. I do it as a very amateurish, and I do it for practical reasons to plan a look. Usually a look ends up being so much more put together if you do a face chart, if you plan, if you sketch, and that's why I did it for this look. And let's get started. Starting with a primed and prepped lid, I'm grabbing a fluffy brush and I'm just blending a soft pink into my crease. And here I go in with a pencil-shaped brush and a red shade just to intensify the color of the crease. And here I'm grabbing my flat shader brush and just using the tiniest amount of concealer to cut the crease. And here I'm grabbing a different brush and I'm just patting that yellow into the very inner part of the lid. And then after that I grab a different brush and I start going in with the green shade. And here I grab a different brush and I'm going in with the shade called Hot and Fresh, and it's from the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette. It is a beautiful pigmented silvery shade, very nice and very shimmery, so I'm patting that in the very center of the lid. And here I'm starting to do the liner. This is a blue felt tip liner by L.A Colors, and I actually got it from the Dollar Tree. It's actually one of the items from the Dollar Tree that is the most impressive. It is really pigmented, not something you'd expect from an item from the Dollar Tree. I mean, this level of pigmentation is actually so decent. But yeah, I start by just lining the lash line ever so slightly at the very base of the lash line, and then I make a wing. I start by drawing like a line that goes out and I fill it in. And here I grab a smudge brush and I'm just patting on a deep shimmery blue. It's a very beautiful shade and it's from the Juviasplace Masquerade palette. And then I go ahead and I tightline using a black eyeliner pencil, and after that you'll see me going in with a Q-tip that has micellar water in it, and I'm just crispening up that shape of that liner. And I felt like the liner, the very wing of the liner just needed a little bit of perfecting, so I just went in back with that eye marker, it's called, and I'm just trying to make that wing look as nice and seamless as possible. And now I'm just applying a good amount of mascara before I apply my lashes. And here you see me using the clean back of it, the handle of a brush, and I'm just adding some primer to my bottom lid, and then I'm just blending it out using my finger. And here you can see me using that eye marker again at the very edge of the waterline. Not on the waterline itself, but at the very edge of it. And after that, I do go in with that smudge brush and that same deep shimmery blue shade on top of that. Here I'm just grabbing a dome-shaped fluffy brush and I'm just slightly blending out that bottom shade. What you see me doing here is I'm just creating that inner cat eye type of flick, and I really love doing this on myself. I think it looks awesome, but I don't do it too often because I find myself having to reapply quite a bit. No matter what I do, my right eye usually waters and messes it up, but yeah, it looks awesome for a good 20-30 minutes before it starts watering. And here I'm just quickly applying some blush. That day all I did was some blush, powder. I can't remember if I did some contour. I don't believe I did, but that's it really for the face. And as per the face chart, I'm starting to draw these 3 lines using that same eye marker, and the very middle line will have a star attached to it with lash glue. And that is it for the look. If you're interested in seeing some pictures of this look, then scroll to the very end, and thank you so much for watching.